Hello everyone. Now we have already got a notice in which it is mentioned that we have to give certificates to all the students who are participating in National Sports Quiz on 29th of August. So here class teachers through their mail ID will give automatically generated certificates to all the students who are participating and scoring 80% and above in the MCQ from class 5th to class 12th. So here I want to just show you how to generate the certificates. Now Google form, you have already taken the exams in Google form. So we will open our drive and we will create a Google form in which we will write here National Sports Day Quiz, and first thing will be enter your full name, and then if you want you can write here enter your school's name, because the school's name will also be generated if you want, and then all the questions of the Fit India or the National Sports Day as per the letter. The letter is already with you all, so as per the letter you have to create this Google form. So all the class teachers for their class, they will create it, and here you will see in G Suite ID add-ons is already been activated. Like here Certify M, you can see it is activated by our regional office. Those who are not having, they can go to the 9 dots, click on add-ons, and then they can use this Certify M. So you can install Certify M and then you can generate the certificates. It is very easy. Only you have to click, all the class teachers will click on this add-on, then Certify M, and since I have already used it, so it is showing these options. So I will show you the controls, how to change the controls. Only you have to link it automatically by RO. It is being set to 80%. So here it was already given in the letter that the passing criteria is 80%. So only you have to link to the exam. Only one thing you have to do, you have to link to the exam, and then after linking to the exam, here the format is given and you can change the format. There are many settings, advanced settings, many settings are there. You can upgrade also. So when the students will give the exams, then automatically in their mail through their class teacher's mail ID, that's why the class teacher has to conduct this exam, because it is written in the letter that through the class teacher's mail ID the certificate is to be generated. So automatically the certificate will be generated. You can see I have given the exam yesterday, and name I have entered, class you have to enter, and the school's name. So here this certificate declares that the name of the student will come here, then their class, and then the school name has completed. Now the heading of the form, whatever form heading you will give, this form heading will appear here in this certificate. Now on 29th you will conduct the exam, so on that date will come, and actually I have given the exam yesterday, so it is showing this date with the passing score of 100%. Now here I was knowing all the answers, so I got 100%. The students who will score 80 and above, they will get this certificate. So here you can see the criteria is fixed by the regional office. If it is not fixed, you can change it. Suppose in some schools, some region, it is not fixed, you can change the passing criteria. You can select your template, like here golden we have selected. If you want to change the certificate format, you want to change the template, you can change it from here. But the limitation is here, it is showing that only this many emails remaining. By default it was showing 1500. That means one teacher can give only 1500 certificates. So use carefully, just don't waste your certificates. So this is your format. Now you can give the exams, you can change the settings. Already you know how to create this form. You will simply go to the drive, you will click here my drive, and you will create a Google form. This is untitled form will open, a new form will open. In this you have to create it. So we will write here national sports, whatever exam you want to take, whatever quiz you want to take. So like here I am taking National Sports Day quiz. Now in this quiz I want to write here attempt all the questions. So attempt all questions, attempt all questions, and then you will, first thing you try to write the name. Here enter your name, full name. So enter your name because this will appear in your certificate. So enter your full name, whatever you want in your certificate, so that you will give. Then if you give the school's name, automatically here required you give it, and then I will copy it. Simply I will keep on copying. And class, if you give, it will come here. Enter your class and sections, so enter your class and section will come here. And then again you can see, if it is coming here number, you have to change it to text. Clear? By mistake if it is showing here number, like here it is showing text only, so it is correct. You just check it. If it is showing number, you change it. Then like class also I want to give in text, and then copy it, enter your school name because school name will also appear. Then it will be better if you give the school name also. And then after that you start with the questions. Now in while giving the questions, you can give a section also, like here, when is the National Sports Day celebrated? So I am giving a question here, when is our National Sports Day celebrated? Now answers, for the answers you have to change it to celebrated. Yes. Now when is our National Sports Day celebrated? Now you can see here, this automatically it has converted to multiple choice. If it is not showing also, even then you can go to the settings, and in quizzes you will make it a quiz. So make it a quiz, and then it will be here in settings. Only if we give one response is selected. Be careful, I am shuffling the questions and I am making it a quiz. And this, if you want to show the answers, normally I am not showing because the other students will come to know about the answers, so I am not showing the answers also. So this is over. Now you give all the options here, 1 2 3 4 options, and the marks also. When you want to change it, you can suppose 1 mark question you are giving, and the options you are giving here, the dates you are giving. So here the dates you are giving, suppose 29th of August 2020. So like this you can give all the dates here, 28th of August 2020. Like this, all the options you give it, and then automatically it saves it, and you keep on copying and you write all the questions, whatever questions are there, multiple choice, MCQ. It is already written in the letter that it should be MCQ. Clear? And auto generated certificate. So here also what I will do, for auto generated certificate, I will simply click the add-on, I will certify this, I will select it, and then I will enable it in this quiz. And when this option will come here, everything is already set. So what you have to do, see, it is enabling in this quiz. So this task you have to do. Now here already this is set, only you have to link with this quiz. Only one option you have to select here, turn on. Only this you have to select. So automatically it will be linked to this quiz, and you can see here how a certificate looks like. So once you practice, all of you, before taking the exams of the students, all the teachers should practice once, so that there should be no problem during the exams. So thank you. Have a nice day. I think you all have understood the concept, how to generate the certificates. It is a very new thing which we have learned. So thank you.